Want to build a website that truly grabs your audience's attention and keeps them engaged? Today, we're diving into Adobe Dreamweaver to create a fully interactive website, going beyond basic HTML to deliver a dynamic and user-friendly experience. Open up Dreamweaver to get started with a new site. First, establish your site settings by defining your site name and local site folder. Next, choose a starting point. Dreamweaver offers templates for different needs. Select HTML for this tutorial and pick a responsive layout. It makes sure your site looks good on any device. Now, let's add our interactive elements. Start by inserting a navigation bar into the website. Dreamweaver makes this easy with its built-in options. Clicking Insert on the main menu, we will see several different options for adding content elements to our website. Then select Add a video, a form, an image, text, whatever you want to make your website unique. To give your website personality, utilize Dreamweaver's design view. This will allow you to preview how your website will look to the user using the property inspector. You can customize the details of your elements, making them your own. Now let's take your creativity to the next level with some functionality. You can use JavaScript, which gives even more abilities to your interactive elements. Dreamweaver integrates with JavaScript frameworks, making it easy to add complex interactions, like animations and transitions. Adding these really boosts your site's interactivity. Before uploading your final project, preview your website in different browsers to ensure a consistent experience. You can utilize Dreamweaver's preview features to review your website will look on any device. Now you are all set. Start building your interactive website with Dreamweaver today.